Welcome to CAD with Mr. Yu, your CAD resource. In today's video, we're looking at part 2 of 6 videos covering the topic how to draw an involute to a circle. In the previous video, we started the construction and we'll be continuing the construction of the involute today. We thank you for joining us and we'll be starting the video. I'm going to turn off snap. I'm going to click on it. Or that diameter is 40. Alright. Now, what we did, remember, we calculated the circumference, so we multiply 40 times 3.14 to get the diameter, the circumference, and we got 125 point 125.6 millimeters. All right, good. All right, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna divide the circle into 12 equal parts. All right, so we're gonna go to our line command. I'm gonna select here, and the first line would be a horizontal T-square line, right? So press enter. The next line would be 30 degrees to the horizontal. So I'm going to turn off ortho so you can see the line at an angle. So the length of the line is 20 and the angle would be 30 degrees to the horizontal. Enter. As easy as that. All right. The next line will be 20 millimeter would be the same radius and the angle would be 60 degrees to the horizontal. Enter. All right. The next line would be a vertical line. So we turn on object, the perpendicular line. We select here and we go 20 millimeters. Enter. All right. All right. We're going to draw another line now from the center here. Let me turn off ortho so you can see the line. So the radius will be 20. It's always 20 because we are dividing the circle into 12 equal parts. All right. So this radius would be 120. Enter. Good. We're gonna move this so that you can see the next one. A line here. The length of the line will be 20 and the angle would be 150. Good. Enter. The next line would be a horizontal line, so we can turn on ortho. We click the center of the circle and we come across 20 millimeters. Enter. The next one we're going to draw, that we're dividing the circle into 12 equal parts. So we come here. The radius will be 20 and the angle would be 210. Enter. All right, so we come again. At the center there, the radius would be, we're going to turn off ortho so you can see the line. The radius would be 20 and the angle would be 240. Enter, enter, good. The line coming down now would be a vertical line. So we turn on ortho. We go line from there and we come down 20 millimeters. Enter. Right? Enter to close the command. Alright, so we're gonna go line at the center of the circle. The radius again will be, we need to turn off ortho so we can see the line at an angle. So 20 millimeters. Angle would be 300. All right. And we come again, line, center of the circle, radius 20. This angle would be 330. Enter, enter. All right, so we have divided the line into not the line. We have divided the circle into 12 equal parts, all right? Now, what we can do, we can actually label the points on the circle so that you can follow, all right? So we're going to do that. So we're going to go single line text. This point would be O, where A is, all right? So this point, I'm going to select here as a starting point. So the height would be 4, rotational angle would be 0, and this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, okay, 12, and 11 is here, right? Right here. All right, let me move it closer, although it's going to overlap. So we're going to move, enter base point. I'm going to turn off object snap. I'm going to put the 11 right here. All right, so bear in mind that 11 is here. So where the A is, that would be 0, 12, right? So I'm gonna move the, I'm gonna move the A. So I select the object, which is a letter A, enter, select the base point, and I move it down a little bit. All right, so this point, single line text, would be, the height would be 4, rotation angles. This would be 0 slash 12. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna move it, all right? So we're gonna go move, enter. All right, so all right, so that's 0. We're gonna delete the A. All right, okay. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw 90-degree lines from each of these points that I labeled on this circle. All right, so I'm gonna go line. I'm gonna At this intersection, the length of the line will be 125.6 millimeters, and the angle will be 330 degrees. Enter. Good. All right. From 2, we're going to draw another line at 90 degrees at 2, right? So we're going to go there. The length of the line is 125.6 millimeters, and the angle would be 300, right? We're going to do the same thing at 3, but the line will be perpendicular coming out. So we can turn on ortho, can just draw a line coming down. So this line will be 125.6 millimeters. Enter. All right, press enter to end the command. All right. So at 4, we're going to draw a line, right? So we're going to go line. The length, we're going to turn off. We have come to the end of part 2 of the 6 videos covering the topic, the construction of an involute to a circle. We're looking forward to seeing you in part 3 of the set of videos covering the topic, how to draw an involute to a circle. Please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.